what it looks like is ash
Yeah,
or
totally.
smoke.
Totally.
But that is a Arizona dust storm. We don't get rain, we get dust storms.
Well,
Like the Middle East.
yeah.
This is when people are going to stop and like not drive.
Yeah.
Looks like a cloud just fell.
Yeah, it really does.
Little
Looks like it just went. Look, you can see it moving right here.
Yep. You're clear, right?
Yep.
Well, we're officially going under it.
Look how dark it just
It just got real dark. And turning into night.
Oh. Whoa! Okay.
Fully windy.
I can feel it.
Well, that's an Arizona dust storm for it.
Jesus Christ. I'd say our visibility's at 100 yards, maybe. Lights at 100 yards, visibility 50 feet, 60 feet. You
Yep.
can barely see the next street light.
That's the sky. All around us. That's gonna be a cool video.
Yeah.
That went right in.
I'm guessing I probably
Into the
shouldn't hit
dark.
my turbo.
No.
Cannot see the street signs that say "Get off the freeway."
I know. I assume this is Arizona, right?
Yeah.
There's a street sign is coming.
You can.
Can't see it, can't see it. There we go. Arizona Avenue.
Wow. Cannot see anything.
No signs.
Can you feel it blowing the car?
Oh yeah. Dang, talk about like
Traffic has
lights
slowed to about
out.
40 miles an hour.
40. Usually people are doing 90 something.
I cannot see where we need to stop.
There you go. Lines are good. Wow, that got really dark really fast.
Wow. Look how fast it's moving in front of us.
Yeah.
You can see the...
Well, that's an Arizona dust storm. Thanks for watching. Alright, now that I'm driving, I can't see a damn thing. And it's only 7:30. I mean, it was nice daylight out. And this dust storm blew in like complete darkness, and there's a stop sign. You can't see, it's right there. I got my flashers on because it's a little easier to see people. But yeah, it actually looks a little clearer in the video than it does when I'm actually driving, but yeah, you can't see anything. Kind of interesting drive, but typical dust storm, I guess. It's just a big one. It's blew in really fast, tons of wind. And you can hear all the dust and rocks and stuff bouncing off the windshield. It's just pitting everything. And this is one reason why paint in Arizona doesn't last. Dude, alright, don't turn in front of me. That's not rain, those are rocks. I don't know if you can hear that in the video, but see the blowing dust across the road. A lot of people pulled over. Don't swerve in front of me, douche. Holy shit. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Random people stopped all over the road. You know, I'm not worried about driving myself. I'm worried about all these other idiots. This dude way up on the fucking berm. Dude, people are behind the guardrail. What the hell? it's windy. Holy crap. Not the worst thing I've driven in. I've driven in far worse storms in Chicago on the tollways and stuff. This is Arizona. When it rains, people freak out and cause massive accidents because they slam on brakes and do stupid shit. So, I'm more worried about those people than I am me. Anyways, I'm gonna quit videoing. It's kind of boring. You get the point.